Hey there, tech enthusiasts! If you're on the hunt for a new processor, you might be interested in the latest Intel 13th Gen processor. This cutting-edge technology promises to take your computing experience to the next level with its high-performance capabilities and advanced features. In this video, we'll be giving you a comprehensive review of the Intel 13th Gen processor, covering everything from its specs and benchmarks to its price and compatibility. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of the Intel 13th Gen processor. 1. Performance. Intel's 13th Gen processor is a powerful and efficient option for users seeking high-performance computing. It boasts a range of impressive features, including up to 8 cores and 16 threads, a clock speed of up to 5 GHz, and support for faster memory. Benchmarks show that the processor performs exceptionally well in both single and multi-threaded workloads, making it ideal for intensive tasks such as gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. Additionally, the processor includes updated AI capabilities and enhanced security features. With its impressive performance and advanced features, the 13th Gen processor is an excellent choice for demanding users who require high levels of processing power. 2. Speed. The Intel 13th Gen processors offer blazing fast speeds with a maximum boost clock of up to 5.3 GHz. The increased clock speeds provide improved performance in tasks such as gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The new processors also feature Intel's Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, which identifies the best-performing cores to provide even greater performance. With the new Intel 13th Gen processors, users can expect faster load times, smoother gameplay, and overall improved system responsiveness. 3. Price. The base price for the i9 13900K is around $699, while the i7 13700K is priced at $486.11. These prices may be higher or lower depending on the retailer and any additional components or peripherals that are included in the purchase. Overall, the 13th Gen processors are a premium product and come at a higher price point than many other CPUs on the market. However, they offer exceptional performance and overclocking features, making them a top choice for serious gamers and creators who demand the best performance from their hardware. 4. Benchmarks. The Intel 13th Gen processors have shown impressive benchmark results in both single-core and multi-core performance, making them some of the fastest processors currently available on the market. In various benchmark tests, the new Raptor Lake CPUs have outperformed their predecessors and even competing AMD processors in some cases. The Core i9 13900K, for example, has demonstrated exceptional performance in gaming and other CPU-intensive tasks. These benchmarks show that the Intel 13th Gen processors are a great choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals who require high-performance computing power. 5. Compatibility. The new Intel 13th Gen processors are compatible with LGA 1700 sockets and require a new motherboard with an Intel 600 or 700 series chipset. This means that upgrading to a 13th Gen processor may require a motherboard upgrade as well. However, the new processors are backward compatible with DDR4 RAM, which can save you money on upgrading your system's memory. It's important to check the compatibility of your existing components before making the switch to a 13th Gen processor to ensure a smooth upgrade process. 6. Energy efficiency. Intel 13th Gen processors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. They use the latest Intel technologies to optimize power consumption, including Intel Deep Power Down technology, which reduces power consumption in idle mode. These processors also support Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, which dynamically boosts performance when needed while maintaining power efficiency. With the latest 10nm SuperFin process technology, Intel 13th Gen processors deliver high performance while consuming less power, making them an excellent choice for users looking for energy-efficient computing solutions. 7. Improved integrated graphics. The Intel 13th Gen processor features improved integrated graphics, making it a great option for gamers and creators who need high-quality visuals. The processor comes with Intel UHD Graphics 770, which provides a significant boost in performance compared to previous generations. This means you can enjoy smoother gameplay and faster rendering times for video editing and 3D modeling. Additionally, the improved graphics make it possible to run some games and applications without the need for a dedicated graphics card, which can save you money in the long run. And there you have it, folks! Our review of the Intel 13th Gen processor. From its impressive performance and graphics capabilities to its support for new technologies and enhanced security features, this processor has a lot to offer. Of course, its price and compatibility are also important considerations. But overall, we think the Intel 13th Gen is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance processor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tech videos for more reviews and insights.